almost a cliffhanger, but I figured it out. There's a link there at the bottom that's 24 centimeters long. That is the up-down selector on the H-gate. I'm going to cut off 24 centimeters of this pipe. Then use the pipe for the compression and heavy duty cable ties for the tension. And it's right there is the loose link in question that I need to bodge there. So I've now covered that vertical motion shift cable with the PVC waste pipe. And forgive me if I don't film the installation of the tension cable tie. It's pretty fiddly. Clutch is still depressed. Let's gingerly try the H-gate. Feels good on neutral. Let's try third. Yeah, fourth. Oh, yes. One way to find out if that worked. And just as night falls, clutch in, find a gear. Let's have first. Oh, tentative. Hey, we're off. Let's try second for a laugh. No. So I just jammed my gearbox into third and limped to work the next day. I'm at work now, looking for a piece of steel about 26 centimeters long. Perhaps an improvement upon the waste pipe would be a 10-inch stainless steel wall spacer that I found, and I'll tie it on with a little bit of steel cable. Well, it's definitely stronger and a proof of concept. I just need to make sure it fixes better to that end. Now I'm using duct tape and a clothes peg to connect the wall tie to the small ball joint on the gear selector mechanism. Well, it seems to be engaging all the different gears. Now I'm going to change them all in quick succession, see how reliable it is. Right, so now I've had a brainwave. I'm going to use the 10-inch wall tie as a splint to hold in the original linkage, and then see if I can use elastic bands and cable ties to keep the splint in place and to keep it stuck on the ball joint end. Yeah. Well, that was the most reliable iteration so far, so I'm going to replace the elastic bands with tensile steel cable, and hopefully that should keep the 10-inch wall tie stuck onto the ball joint end. Well, that had better be good enough, because tomorrow is the long drive to Mid Wales. Clutch, brake, handbrake. Find me a gear, come on. I'll take it. Actually, perhaps I should wait a minute. It's time for second gear. Oh! There's a special guest star on today's mission. Who's that slinking over there? And there is the 4x4 fella guiding me in professionally. Funny man.
Bore da Tim!
Bore da boyo!
How are you doing?
I'm ready. Can you believe
ready.
I fixed that gearbox?
Done a good job. You've done a good job. You've bodged it, but it's running.
Yeah, got me here.
Yep.
Halfway to Wales.
Halfway, yeah? Good sleep?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
I slept in a little farm track back there.
Yeah.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, lovely.
Just woke up with the mist and the crows.
And the chemtrails.
Controversially. Now Ben has a little trucker's trick about motorway park-ups.
Yeah, if you're like self-employed or because I use my vehicle for work sometimes, claim back the parking. That's what they all do.
Well, you get a receipt from there and claim the parking back.
You get meal voucher as well.
Well, because they are going to bill you.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks like a quality roadside breakfast. Since 1954, you can't fault the pedigree. Souvenir. How was your breakfast, Ben?
It's a good breakfast, that. It's actually better than we thought, wasn't it?
You know what time it is. Right, it's time to continue the journey. Oh, £3. I wouldn't even buy one of these if I was certain to get one. Oh, shockingly bad.
Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig.
I got 5th gear on the motorway. You got to be happy with that. Oh, Speedo's died. Never mind. It's a little song to sing you out. Ain't it great when life somehow works out? Through the hard times there was never doubt. Freedom is what life